Hi folks, this is Mary and I would like to show you a 2020 Coachmen Beyond. This is a 22C. Great floor plan, barely used, so it's got like just around 30,000 miles on it, so let's look inside. Okay, welcome inside. So as you can see, we've got this nice screen that will shut all the way and it retracts back. Really nice cabinet space up here. We've got lots of storage. And then as you come over here, you have a bathroom. This is a wet bath. It's pretty spacious in there. You do have a curtain that will go across and then tucks away nicely. I like this feature right here. This is actually a little extra storage here where you can put some sandals or some gear. Then right across you've got the galley. Really nice cabinets, and there's lights in here that kind of has a nice ambient feel. Then we have 2-burner. Lots of storage underneath. And a sink. This is a really nice feature here. You've got a spice rack right here that's nice and stationed. You've got a fridge, and the freezer is down below, which actually, you don't access the freezer as much usually. Microwave up top. Then this is your either wardrobe or pantry shelving storage. And the back here is going to be your sleeping area. So this will turn into a king size bed. The bed is automated and it comes out and you fill this space in, or you can have this as 2 separate sleeping areas and it's easier to access the bathroom in the middle of the night. My name is Mary. Please give me a call and let me help you take your next adventure. My number is 406-850-4590.